Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech, and I'm here today, guys, looking at this box right here. What is this box? Well, guess what, guys? I just came back from my trip earlier today, and this box was waiting for me, and I'm gonna unbox this product here right now. It's a secret unboxing, but I'm really excited about this because this came actually on my birthday, and I've been waiting to unbox this right now. So let's go ahead and start tearing off the top there. There you go. And you know, I've known this has been in my house for the past 4 or 5 days, and so I've really been waiting for this. And you know, this is kind of tied with something I've been kind of mentioning earlier. But ready? Here we go. Let's pull this thing out, and boom! Oh, what is this? It is. You saw it there. A MacBook Pro. That's right, guys. This is the 13-inch. Whoa, I'm so excited. That's right. The 13-inch MacBook Pro from 2018. This is it. And this is a special surprise gift from my beloved wife. God love you, baby. This is an amazing gift. And she really has been an amazing support in this, in my building of this channel. And this is an amazing tool that I'm going to be able to use to really kind of take my channel to the next level. So as I kind of show here in the unboxing, just a quick specs overview of the MacBook Pro I did get. This is the 2.3 gigahertz, just the base option there, but it's got 16 GB of RAM, 512 GB of SSD storage right there. And I do plan to kind of get, do have a little Samsung SSD also that I'm going to be using. So let's get the tool here. Let's get the razor out and let's start to the box cutter, and let's start unboxing this bad boy right here. And so there you go, taking my time here. As with most of really expensive products, this product is really expensive. As you can see there, the tan line on my Apple Watch band there, you can see how much time we've been spending out swimming and doing stuff in Singapore. So you can definitely see that I've gotten my vacation on over the last couple days. But let's see here now as we pull off the, yeah, that's right, let's do it. Let's pull this top off here of the box, and the reveal comes. There it is. There is the 2018 MacBook Pro 13-inch, and a little lip. I just love the way Apple kind of presents its stuff. And you know, in terms of unboxings, I think you know, there's really not much better. I mean, Apple does some amazing kind of packaging with their products, and there is the first look at the MacBook Pro. Let's set that aside for now, and let's just kind of have a quick look at what's inside the box. So here we have just some basic kind of MacBook Pro instructional, some instructional cards. There are the Apple stickers, always going to be included there. These are a little smaller than I would like. I love the older kind of Apple stickers they used to include that were a lot bigger. And some warranty information there. Let's put that aside. And here is the USB-C charger. Now this one, if I'm not mistaken, is a 50 plus, I think. Want to say 50 now. I'll have to double check there, but it is a USB-C charger, and it's a big brick. So this actually should be able to work for even charging. I want to say kind of other USB-C enabled devices, and even kind of the iPad, if that's a possibility. So I'll have to test that later. And here you see there is the standard USB-C cable. It's not very long though, but that's what I've heard so far at least. But overall, that's a pretty much the unboxing there. And now let's have a look, kind of first look here, pulling off the seal here. Oh yeah, this is always fun. And yeah, there you go. And so it's kind of a little sleeve that it comes in. So I'm just gonna kind of slide it out here and see how it goes. There we go. And there is the MacBook Pro, and what a beautiful device this is. I mean, in terms of build quality, in terms of like just the actual kind of fit and finish of a laptop, there is none better than Apple. That's the reality, guys. I mean, try to tell me if there's another better kind of maker of laptops, at least from the design perspective. Definitely this is something special. And now I'm going to kind of open the actual MacBook Pro here and see what happens. Getting it set up, and there we go. And there should be, yep, there's the little paper kind of covering this LCD, and oh, there you go. The Apple logo is getting started, and this thing is already booting up. That's amazing. And so you can see it there. There are the kind of the keyboard that's been very polarizing, obviously, with a lot of MacBooks. But you see this is the Touch Bar version with Touch ID, and there's the language setup ready to get started. But you know, I'm gonna definitely do that and kind of set this all up. But guys, the real point of this video is to share with you guys. This is going to be my tool to take Frankie Tech to the next level. Look at these last shots here of the MacBook Pro. And I intend to really kind of up my game now with this awesome tool, really kind of start using more advanced tools and video editing software to really kind of take this channel to the next level. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Definitely do that. And if you love the content, I definitely will be coming up with some great content, and this MacBook Pro is really going to be helping me out in that process. So I appreciate all the support. Thanks again, and to my loving wife, thank you so much, baby, for this amazing gift right here. Anyways, guys, I'll leave you with that, and this is Frankie Tech signing off. Y'all have a good one.